Are your JPG images taking up too much storage or slowing down your website? Large image files can affect loading speed, reduce performance, and consume valuable space. There's an easier solution. Problem: many users need to optimize images for websites, blogs, online stores, or social media. However, converting JPG images to WEBP often requires installing software, creating an account, or dealing with complicated settings. Some tools even reduce image quality or add watermarks. Solution: introducing Softaken JPG to WEBP online free. A fast, secure, and browser-based tool that converts JPG images into WEBP format in just a few clicks. No installation, no registration, and no technical skills required. Benefits of JPG to WEBP. Private and local. Your files stay on your device. Free to use. No account or subscription required. No installation. Works directly in your browser. Instant results. Fast conversion in seconds. Canvas preview. Preview before downloading. Desktop version. Advanced features for Windows users. How to use. Step 1. Upload your image. Drop a JPG, PNG, WEBP, or other supported image file. Step 2. Adjust settings. Choose output format, dimensions, quality, or other options in the panel. Step 3. Download result. Preview on Canvas if available. Then save the converted or edited image. Start converting your JPG images to WEBP today with Softaken JPG to WEBP online free. Visit the Softaken Online Document Toolkit and enjoy fast, secure, and high-quality image conversion completely free. Thanks for watching.